How to use the Amazon Music app. Welcome back to the channel, and let's dive in to the world of Amazon Music. To get yourself your very own Amazon Music app, you can easily get access to it using your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. In the search bar, just search for Amazon Music. Mind it is only available in selective regions. Now install the application, and once installed, tap on Open. You will have to log in or sign up for an account in Amazon Music. Then you will get to choose your preferred artist. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see an interface like this. You will get yourself delete playlist, station, podcast that you can just tap and listen on the go. Now for the more of it, you can select the podcast section to explore some of the podcast. One of the most popular is the true crime. Now you can just give it a tap and listen while you are doing some of your work or just relaxing. To browse for your preferred music, select the find icon. In here, you can select your music and podcast. Depending upon the genre, the categories, or your activities, mood, you'll be able to select it because Amazon Music have all for you. Moving on, select the library option. Now in here, tap on the playlist options. Now select the option of new playlist. You can rename your playlist as you want. Select add songs. Now browse for an artist or the music. Tap on the plus sign icon to add the music into your playlist. You can select as much as music that you prefer. So just go ahead and browse your preferred music, then just tap on the add icon and your playlist is ready. By tapping on the shuffle icon, it will suggest you some of the music similar to your taste. Now you can easily listen to the music and even sing along by tapping on the lyrics option. And that is how you can enjoy your customized music playlist just for you. One of the fun feature is if you have your very own Alexa, you can even connect your personal Alexa to your Amazon Music. And through your Alexa, you can command your Amazon Music to play according to your mood or the activity. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.